How to define the most commonly used variables like number, strings, array list, and dictionaries inside Python. For number, we will simply use num and specify num equal to 42, and we will simply print num. It will simply print that num on the screen. To run this, we will simply use Python, and then the file of that now is showing 32. To define a string, basically we will use like name and then specify the string like Python, and to print this we will simply use print and then specify the name, and it will simply print that string name here. To define a list, we will simply use list, and then we will use this format angle brackets, and we will specify 1 2 3 and 4. To view this, the result will be inside the print. To view, we simply print that on the screen.